Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 14.4.5 and we are going to use Git. So your company has begun using Git to help track changes for the files being developed for several projects. You have already cloned and are working with a repository named repo1. So the repo1 repository has been cloned to your /home/v_edwards/project folder. In this lab, your task is to use Git to pull update from the repo1 repository from the remote Git server to your local machine, clone the repo2 repository from the remote Git server to your project folder on your local machine. So that is all we need to do in this lab, and I guess we'll go ahead and start up a lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you found this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership class where you have detailed inside one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide variety of educational video material to help you in your educational journey. Alright, so this lab has loaded, so we'll go open terminal and start up right away. So from the first task we're going to type in cd space project /repo1. You press enter and then type in ls space -la, press enter, and then let's see, clone repo2 repository from the remote. Alright, so you type in git pull, press enter, and it's done. So we type in ls space -l, you press enter, and then cd dot you press enter, and then git space clone space repo2, you press enter, and this will clone repo2. So we wait for it to finish cloning, and then type in ls space -l, and we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other educational platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.